Ulysseus Entre Camp is a unique experience, great opportunity to enjoy study, lectures, but also teamwork with other students.
So we as students, we collaborate between us in order to find solutions on sharing economy and healthy cities, and to build some solutions about mobility and transport.
We have to think of design thinking. We have to use different techniques to solve a real practical problem from the municipality, and that's pretty cool.
I actually think that all the groups are creating very good ideas. And I think it's working. Honestly, I think that the process, this design thinking process is working and everybody's going to propose really interesting ideas.
I would certainly recommend other students to participate in this project, especially if they would like to be more up to date with the current trends in sustainability in Helsinki. And right after, they could use those experiences in their own locality and to make their city to be a better place for living.
You should do it. But be prepared, because you're going to learn a lot of new things. You're also going to meet a lot of new people, and be prepared to be challenged as well, because some of the notions and conceptions that you have coming into this camp process that might not actually be the ones you leave with afterwards, and that transition can have a pretty profound effect. So my recommendation to anyone doing it is be prepared to change, and then also be prepared to make a difference.